Yo, Shano said he was privately recording all of this, but he ain't getting the behind the scenes right
bro.
here.
We're proud of you.
Yeah.
Hope to see you in 2 years or so. I don't know how long it's gonna take for you to get out the house, but let us know. Let us know if you need help.
Yeah.
We love you.
Yo, yeah, if you're in trouble, just blink for us. Yeah.
Blink 4 times,
yeah.
you know. We got you.
Any advice, Myra?
Just be happy, man.
Just be happy, man.
I think he's already there. I think he's got that unlocked.
That's the worst advice.
Be happy.
Just be happy.
It's the worst advice.
For the mail.
Don't be happy. Only be happy in front of your girl.
Make her happy. Yeah.
Only and then tell her.
Happy in front of her.
Yeah, bro, tell her that she's the reason for your happiness, because if she finds out you're happy for any other reason, she's gonna ruin it. I don't know if that's true. I'm just talking shit. Yeah. Let's go. Come here, bro. Let me subway take you right now.
The suit is fire.
Dude, I know. Like the green on green is yeah. We're coming over there. We're not coming over there.
Do your family stuff first.
Nice.
It's like once you're a married man, like who's gonna lift? That's true. Yeah.
Not your wife.
Has anyone lifted
Well,
you?
she'll lift you up like emotionally and spiritually and stuff.
Maybe your legs. In the pool, yeah.
Ah, okay.
In the pool's the best.
What, legs up in the pool or?
No.
Oh,
Lifting.
lifting.
I was married,
Lifting up, yeah.
around, I'm like, oh, this is nice.
That's cute.
I'm like,
Only
wait
in
a
the
second.
pool.
Only in the pool. Yeah.
The gravity.
Yeah. No, I want.
Resistance.
No, I want my girl to bench press me. Eventually, yeah. Yo, all the muscle mommies out there listening. Yeah. Not that.
Thank you, man.
Oh yeah.
Glad you made the trip. Appreciate it.
Okay, actually, can I have you guys a coffee? You guys go there.
Earlier, but like, let me get a quick subway take. How you feeling?
Man, I just want to hold your hand right now and tell you I am out of the game.
Hey,
I'm out of the game officially.
my man off the streets, bro.
I had a terrible run.
Hey man, there's Kobe Bryant's, and then there's Kwame Brown's.
Dude, what the? Okay.
There's-
Okay, where am I in there?
Wait, let me finish.
All
Let me
right,
finish.
all right.
Then there's Derrick Rose's. There's Joakim Noah's. And you got Dirk Nowitzki's. And then you got the Jason Terry's, which is I think
Dude, all right,
I think that's
all
where you
right,
land. I think
all
that's
right.
where you
At
land.
least the big guy, bro.
I think
At
that's
least the big guy.
that's where you land. Yeah. Yeah, Jason Terry. You know? I feel like you had your fair
That's a throwback.
I feel like you had your fair share of fast make 3-pointers, is what I'm saying.
You're saying cut the shit.
Best voice.
Hell yeah.
Zishan, oldest. Sounds fucked up eye. Gayest
Fuck.
in the room.
Gayest
in the room.
Some of y'all got good ones, some of y'all got fucked up ones.
Dude, I got the
And I meant
best
that.
voice.
I'm pushing back. If you want to push, you can push. I'm pushing back. All right. I'm gonna go.
Cheers to Shano's wedding.
Cheers, brother. Man, I saw the car and I was like, wait, I thought Adam's car was white, but I recognized the license plate.
Yeah. I picked it up yesterday.
Yeah, I forgot that you wrapped it, bro. It's looking good.
It's nice, bro.
It's like that crimson red. What color is it?
It's not crimson red. It's like a burgundy.
Burgundy,
It's,
nice.
I think it's like midnight bloom or something. Some red something. I don't know.
Nice.
But it came out pretty great. I like it.
Heck yeah.
Yeah.
We'll talk outside the car in a second. I'm gonna put this on.
Here in Seattle, he wanted us to get people to do the walk-in. He wants a walk-in. They want to do a high walk-in, and we were supposed to recruit people to do it. I mean, we're obviously in. We're in it.
We're gonna have 7 people walking in for sure.
I'm down. Yeah. See what's up. Where is it? Where do you think? Oh, they're over there.
We're now in the traditional side of things. So get the trad gear. That's the thumbnail right there. I was trying to get your fit for today.
I I didn't really say bye. Is it cold? Is it cold? Is it break? Is it break?
I'm Brick.
Okay.
Yeah.
Martin Luther King, black diamonds on my wrist. Put Giuseppe's on my kids, put Coco on my bitch. Put that fofo on the switch, then your cock up and dip. Hey, I've been in the trenches, the trap to be specific. I fell in love with bitches, then sold them for some riches. This money be my missus, drive me crazy, I need reeling. I told him I'm so slimy, I'm so shady, I admit it, yeah. Slide like the street, yeah.
Day 2, let's go. Learning how to put on a tie.
Give it up for our musicians over here, tabla and sitar. This is something new. These guys are all the way from New York. We got Shakir on sitar, and Karamat Bhai on tabla. Thank you so much for being here.
All right.
Perfect.
Event 3, day 2.
Not perfect.
Not perfect?
No, this is too long.
Yeah, the back piece.
Oh, the back piece is long. Yeah. Will Adam figure out how to put his tie on? Will we ever get dinner? Will everybody learn the dance?
Will people take our seats?
Will people take our seats?
Will people take our seats?
Find out on the next episode of Dragon Ball Z.
Is that what your show's called?
Let's get the practice going.
Should we wait for Juma?
No.
No, that's fine.
He's gonna do one in like 10 minutes.
Okay, let me play the track.
Shauna on the track.
And Mrs. Shania Nurani! Guys, give them a round of applause. Make some noise for this beautiful couple. This is Carlos Broken tonight.
Over the years, Shauna has been there for me through everything, whether it was family stuff, life advice, or helping me through my own troubles. He's always been someone I could always rely on. He's even tried to give me advice on improving my skills in basketball, but I'll be honest, I don't think he's the best person for that, so maybe go somewhere else. No, but all jokes aside, what really defines Shauna was that he shows up for his people, for his friends, for his family, and now for his lovely wife. Orisha, you got yourself a good one. Shauna is loyal, dependable, and he genuinely cares about the people in his life. I've seen him for 15 years, and I know he's going to take care of you the same way he takes care of everyone around him as well. Now, I did promise you guys an embarrassing story. Ano and I work out together pretty regularly. Now, one day he brought Orisha to the gym with us, and we were all warming up before we started our workout. And out of nowhere, Shano goes up, and he goes to the pull-up bar, and he starts doing pull-ups. And not just one or two. He does a full 10 pull-ups, which, that's pretty hard, right? Give him a round of applause for that, that's pretty good. Now, what's funny is, I've known this man for 15 years. I have never seen him do a single pull-up in my life. I called him out. I'm like, wait a second, you've been able to do that this whole time? And today is when you want to show it, now that Orisha is here? I guess love can unlock hidden abilities, right?
Thank everyone for coming. From so far away, I have family
and that means a lot. Families here from Houston, Austin, friends and family, Canada, New York. Make yourselves known if you've traveled to be here. Los Angeles, make yourselves known. I do music shows and people don't drive 25 minutes to see me, so I know this means a lot. It's an important day. And thank you to Karama Khan and Shakir Khan, amazing musicians from New York, Raheem, DJ, all the amazing vendors, Shazad Bai, Shakir Khan, and then Marisha's family for trusting me, and I hope you understand that you have not lost a daughter, but hopefully you've gained a son and gained brothers. This was an arranged marriage. This is all really new, but I've been waiting for so long to declare my love for this young woman, and so I'm happy to be able to do that in front of all of you. And thank you to everyone for being here. So I think with that we can start dinner.
All right, let's go. We're about to go get this.
Let's go.
Get this dinner in.
Let's go.
Get this dancing in. Get some more dancing in once the dance floor opens.
Yes.
And then,
Dance don't stop.
yeah, and then I don't know what.
Rage.
Whoa, I thought I saw a familiar face. What's going on, man? How you doing?
I'm good. I did not.
New fitted. It's a job opportunity. It's new quit. It's a real world. Only school finished. There's
The way the documentary says,
not just convinced for a new religion. The soul music of the slave that the sick is missing. The soul music of the slave that the youth is missing.
I feel like we cheered more for you now than when you walked in there earlier. Let's go, my man. Let's go, let's go. How we doing? They're finally here.
love is a drug, then I guess the world is God's trap. While I'm in Hell's Kitchen, cooking with Guy Fieri, Dante Alighieri, topping the Sunday with the cherry. What else to say? I'm getting money this morning, got this Frank in my head, so much brain power I got. I'm really my own think tank. I put the purple in the Sprite, I'll drink that I drank. But this is the last time that I drink so much, I'm breaking the bank. And I'm breaking myself, my body can't handle shit. Goddamn, yeah, brown boy could rap. Did you hear him outside this hookah bar? Man, he really just snapped? Man, the answer is yes. Ask me, I will confess. Like a murderer in court, no fucks.